started yesterday, and it's only been on for half an hour today, and it's on tomorrow, and there's supposed to be antiques at it.
All right.
There were a lot this weekend that had antiques listed, which is
good.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Good morning. Ooh, there's a cute mirror.
Oh, yeah.
Not that one she's wiping,
Oh,
but
oh,
the
the
one,
other one,
yeah. No.
Doesn't look the right color to me.
No. Well, those are modern, but look how pretty that stone is.
Mm-hmm. And there's the brooch for it.
Oh, it's a pendant.
Oh, pendant.
Wow. That's really pretty. Yeah, and see, look how yellow this is. I don't even have to look, but
Yeah, you can tell that's not gold.
Right.
It's the wrong color.
right.
I'm starting to get good at it now too. It's hanging around me too much.
Too much. I don't think anyone can hang around me too much. They're like, it's never enough. This is cute.
Is that what they say?
It's in my mind, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cute. It's had some fairly obvious repairs. That's too bad, because that's really cute. I like the shape of it. Ooh, look at these curtain tiebacks.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. Ooh,
Little mangled.
it's a little bit
2008.
partied a little too hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a small carboy.
It is.
Oh, look at the size of this. Cookie jar.
Oh. Sweet.
Yeah.
I like to see all those cookies coming out of that jar and going into my mouth.
Oh, rain chain. That's cool. Oh, got squished.
Oh yeah.
It's bent.
Couple owies.
Yeah. I really like it though. Oh yeah, and this one too. Oh, and there's more of it.
Yeah, there's 12 altogether. Altogether. Yeah, I know a couple
got-
of them are kind of...
Yeah, must have been a windy day or
Yeah.
something.
Well, and actually that was used a couple times and then it was put in a box and just never brought out again.
Oh,
Probably just-
so instead of a gutter, you have this coming down from it.
That'd be neat.
That's really nice.
They're really pretty.
Yeah.
What's the best you could go on it?
$50.
50?
This mirror is cute.
It needs a little bit of polish, but there's a couple here that have never really been out of the box.
Mm-hmm.
And so you can see when it's brightened up, it's really
Yeah.
nice.
I do like it too. I mean, I think they're 50. And then this mirror here beside it, could you maybe do 15?
Sure. Yeah, that's kind of come apart. So
Is that okay, Karen? Is 15?
Yeah, I think so.
65 altogether?
Yeah.
yeah.
Great.
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
We do that.
So we'll take those, but I want to
We're
look at
gonna
your
keep
other.
looking.
Yeah. Before
Might add to that pile.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
This reminds me of the one we got from Bob,
Yes.
the iris
I
pattern.
don't know if that's what you call depression glass or not.
It might be trying to look
think
like
it's-
depression
yes.
glass.
Marigold, I think
it's
is
got a-
Okay.
the color anyway. But yeah, it sure is pretty.
But you can definitely tell the crystal from the glass, eh? Like
So white
just tell that
looking,
that's
hey?
crystal
And then
just by
this
looking
is
at it.
pressed.
and
Yeah.
that's pressed glass, yeah. And look at the difference in the light.
Yeah, it's so
you can really see
pretty.
a difference.
Yeah.
So
I
tiny.
think this is crystal too, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
I
you're
mean,
right.
it's
Yeah.
heavy, like
Yeah.
I think it's the lead.
Leaded crystal, yeah. You
Yeah.
can sure tell the leaded too, because
Yeah,
it's
'cause
way heavier than you'd think it should be. Oh, that's like a, yeah.
I wonder if
Those
We already
ones-
got one like that, sort of.
sort of with
So-
the pierce.
Yeah.
This one says
Oh, and that one
Romania.
And there's another one.
And I think that one, it doesn't have on it, but I think these are the ones when they went on one of those river cruise tours of Budapest and everything.
Oh.
I think that's where
Oh.
they got these, and I think they're both from Romania.
They're pretty. Do you like those with the?
Yeah, I do.
Cutouts?
Yeah, I do. The filigreed.
They look nice together.
Yeah.
How much are your plates and bowls and things?
$1 each.
Okay. Yeah, can you lift
And
up
this is
this
a
one?
steal of a deal if you're interested.
Oh, Angie might want that.
This is
So
a whole
wine
box.
glasses.
All these, and these
Oh,
are the 3 sizes, so they're
very beautiful.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're crystal.
Yeah. We don't drink wine. We cheers too much to have expensive glasses. Ooh, careful.
Oops.
Take a picture of that one. See if maybe Angie wants it.
Okay.
Or friend loves birds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Did you get it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much?
It's $1.
That
Oh,
for $1 for the plate.
$1. Okay, I'll tell her.
look at this tray. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah, the inlaid.
The trays aren't for sale.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's lovely though.
It is actually.
I'll
a
just
friend of
admire
mine, oh my goodness, this would have been a long.
It looks
time ago.
foreign.
Yeah,
Like
it
she
was
brought
from
it back
Mexico.
from somewhere. Oh yes. Yeah.
And so they've
Pretty.
gone there on their honeymoon, and they brought back a bunch of trays for all the friends who'd helped them with their wedding and everything.
Oh,
So yes, it's
that's
not for
nice.
sale.
No, I guess not.
Yeah, when I was unpacking all this glass, I didn't want to just set it on the table because there's a lot of pieces.
Well, it shows up nicer, I think,
Yeah.
on the dark background. Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, I think we'll just get
So-
the mirror and the
Yeah, so 67?
65, we said. Oh, yeah, right. And then you've got those two.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Okay, I'll take this off.
Yeah, that is nice. That's pretty neat looking.
I love it. Yeah. And I love the copper.
Yes. Hopefully you can try to bend those pieces
Ah.
back without breaking it.
I think it's really soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I can.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's really.
I almost hate to see it go, you know. It's
Oh,
so pretty, but we haven't
yeah.
had it up for years. So.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I can show you the
you.
house it's going to be on.
Yeah. We have an old house.
And it's old.
Oh, could it be nice?
And
So we
it's,
can't get new stuff to put on it. It just
Yeah.
isn't quite right.
so it's good. It's going to have a good life.
Oh, that's
There.
Nice. So where's that house? Yeah, you're gonna have to be careful carrying it.
Yeah. Oh, it's heavy.
Anyway, well, good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think you don't have a lot of restoration to do then.
On
do
the
restore
house?
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We, slowly work on it. And
Okay.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a
good
great
day.
day.
the bumblebees on
I know.
the flowers.
That's really excellent, hey?
It is nice.
Yeah, I like that.
Super nice.
It sounds like it was expensive. It must be because otherwise I'd had one already.
Well, the original price she had was $160 that she was trying to sell it for. So yeah, I mean it's really cool. Really cool.
Yeah. No word from Angie yet?
Let's check the phone.
Just double
real
check
quick.
before we.
Nothing.
Okay. Well, that's the way it goes.
Thanks again.
Well, she has a table too.
Yeah, I saw that as soon as we pulled
You
up.
should have just got on it and used it.
Yeah. Whee!
Okay. That's great. Oh, I'm excited about that range.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. $160 was what the original, and then she had that crossed out and put 70,
And then still,
and then we got it for 50.
yeah,
And then we got that mirror for half price. She had 30 on it, I think.
she had 20 on it.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
I could have sworn I saw 30.
No.
That's why I offered 15.
Oh, that's why I was like, why wouldn't you offer 10?
Ah, because I thought I saw 30. No. Damn it.
That's why I was like, yeah.
Shoot.
She took off the sticker, so.
I'm sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry. It's okay.
For some reason
15
I thought
is still good.
thought I saw 30.
This one started today, an hour ago, and it's on tomorrow. It's an estate, and there's supposed to be jewelry and collectibles at it.
Okay.
Turn the corner.
Yeah, it's around the corner here. Supposed to be just around this
Oh,
corner.
yeah, Brandon
Oh yeah.
Lane
Okay,
Drive.
here we go. Should we just maybe
How far down
park in
is
front
it?
of the fire hydrants?
Will the city crews here? Maybe not. As they phone Oh, yeah, just go up there and park behind
Okay.
that guy. Because these are pull-in, so. You don't.
Okay. Let's go. You have to open that Rockstar seat.
Yeah, I was trying to drink
I thought I was stepping into a field full of dog poops, but it's just been aerated, that's all. At first I was like, oh my God!
It does look like poops.
It's just been aerated.
Yeah. That's funny.
That is funny. When I jumped out of the truck, I was like, oh my God, watch out.
Yeah.
Landmines everywhere.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, look at the stool. I like the stool.
Good.
Oh, it's a pump organ.
You don't see a pump organ at a garage sale very often.
Wow.
That's incredible.
It is. Unfortunately, I don't have room for it anymore. I've had it for 40 years. Yeah,
Did you play it?
everything plays. I can play for
Wow.
Please.
That would be
Be great. Oh, it's got your little things for your legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I guess I need to put some stops out.
Oh,
Yeah.
I would not know how to work one of these.
I played for a wedding one time in the country. It had a pump organ.
Were you exhausted after?
I was, because I was late, or things were late too.
Oh, no. Talk about a workout.
Oh. Wow. So nice.
Really
yeah.
Wow.
That's amazing. Yeah, you really got to keep them going though, hey?
Yeah, that is a workout.
Yeah.
No kidding. Yeah. It's a gym membership.
Yeah.
You just need one of those.
Exactly.
Wow.
Dark in here.
Yeah. That was cool.
Yeah, that's super cool, isn't it?
Yeah, she's good too.
Obviously, he's been doing it a while.
Yeah, yeah. It's louder than I thought it would be.
Yes, it is. So I thought too. I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, if there's anything you like, we're...
Silver plated. It says right on it, so it's fairly new. There's no code. That's kind of interesting, but... Well, that's for the tent.
Yeah.
I'm just looking to get rid of things. Prices will be good.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
it's
nice.
not-
1993.
Yeah, moose jaw.
Moose Jaw Sass. Sass all,
Yeah,
all
it was
Morgan
made-
Horse
it
Show.
was- yeah, it was
Neat.
made
those
by-
are little horse heads and
Yeah.
horseshoes.
Yeah, it was made by a friend of mine. We used to be involved with Morgan Horse shows.
Neat.
Yeah, we showed, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we're usually more looking for antiques. We live in an old
Yeah.
antique house.
You know what?
The
I think
pump
I saw
organ,
you
but-
at my sister-in-law's sale.
Oh, you probably did.
Yeah.
We try to go to all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, take your money in with
Yeah.
you.
Okay, come. You will. Oops. I'll be out in a minute. Okay, I'm just looking. Okay.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Wow. Come at the front, Rob. Isn't
Yeah,
that
this was-
And
incredible?
look at the carnival glass bowl and
Yeah.
all the stuff underneath.
1990.
Wow. Superb car. It sure is superb.
Yes,
It's
isn't
like-
it? Look at that.
Yeah.
That is-
Look at that.
And it's
is
in
my-
such
yeah.
nice condition.
It is. Yeah. This is my crowning piece.
It looks very heavy.
It is.
No
very
kidding.
Yeah.
And
the
look at
top
like
part.
this.
Yes, I know.
It's stunning.
Yeah, super, super nice.
And I've got a couple of dressers. Yeah, this was handmade by a neighbor.
Wow. Handmade, eh?
Handmade, so it's all dovetailed.
Wow. beautiful.
This has been redone. But
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
yeah, and then that's antique.
Oh,
I had a whole dining room
Look at the
set.
bottom of it.
Yeah.
I had a whole dining room set, but I didn't have room for the dining room table, and there's a lower
And the buffet.
I like this
Yeah.
top, how it's...
Yeah.
And it's not so spindly like
Yeah.
some, it's more
That's quite
substantial. Yeah.
So that comes from Quebec, about 1920s.
Wow, it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank
It's
you.
beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, it's so
Yes.
nice to see you
Yes,
two
very
again.
good.
Yeah, thank you for showing us
Oh,
your
you're
treasures.
welcome. Happy hunting.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, well, listen, happy shopping.
Thank you.
Like I say, so nice to see you.
Yes, you as
Yeah.
well. You have a wonderful
I
day.
will. Thanks for this. I'll
Yeah.
take care.
Okay, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, your balloons fell over.
Oh, the ground is too soft, maybe.
You know, the wind.
Yeah.
There we
Yeah.
go. That's in there good now.
Yeah, that looks good.
Great. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Bye. Aw. Like,
She's so
what
nice,
a
hey?
sweetie. Yeah.
Takes us into her house and shows us all her
Oh, that
all her cool
patch.
stuff. Oh, I know.
That
A couple pieces in there.
sideboard.
Yes.
That was my favorite.
Really nice.
I wish I could have bought that table from her.
Yeah, no kidding.
That is perfect.
for your parents, for sure. Yeah.
And then
I
they
know.
can find chairs wherever.
Yeah.
But, oh, darn it. Yeah. Look at all the nice things that are. I'm thinking that mirror that we got.
Yeah. For 15.
Yeah.
We should have got for 10.
Well, what's $5?